So guys, imagine that you have a question like this one on the SAT test, all right, which is if 2x minus 3y equals to 3, then find 16 power x over 64 power y. So these are the four possible answers, and only one is correct. Only one answer is correct, all right? So let's go at it very quickly here. So what's going to happen? So we're going to go ahead with this one here and see how we can rewrite it, okay? So this is 16 power x over 64 power y. So what can we do? So 16 and 64 are different bases, right? So the base 16, base 64 are not the same, so you cannot just go ahead and then simplify like that. That would be totally wrong. So what can you do? So how can we break down 16? We know that 16 can be equals to 4 to the second power, correct? You don't need to go down to 2. Somebody could have thought about 2. 2 times 2 times 2, you know, and then continue. So we don't need that. Because 64 also can just be what? 64 can be 4 to the third power because that's 4 times 4 times 4, correct? So then what's happening is once we get that, we can rewrite this problem here. So this one will give us what? So instead of 16 power x, so we have 4 2 power x over 4 3 power y. Okay? So this one's supposed to be x. Okay? So this is what we have. So far, so good. All right, so what can we do? So we have now, this is just the same thing as having 4 power 2x over 4 power 3y. It's just the same. So because they are the same, what can we do? Same base, what do we do? You guys remember that? Same base, what we do is when we have xm over xn is equal to xm minus n, right? You remember that? We had that on our YouTube channel, so you guys can check that out and see. So this is just the same thing as having 4, then 2x minus 3y. So once you get to this part here, and you take the exponent here, what do you see? You have 2x minus 3y, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 3. So you can substitute this one here. So this is 4 power then 3. And 4 power 3 is going to give you what? This is equal to 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. D here is your correct answer. All right?